soft and shiny. H for hat, big and fun. I for ice cream, cold and yummy. J for jelly, wobbly and sweet. K for kite, high and flying. L for lion, strong and loud. M for moon, bright and round. N for nest, safe and warm. O for orange, juicy and tasty. P for penguin, cute and waddly. Q for queen, kind and royal. R for rabbit, quick and fluffy. S for sun, hot and shiny. T for train, fast and loud. U for umbrella, up and rainy. V for van, big and speedy. W for watermelon, red and juicy. X for x-ray, bones and clear. Y for yak, furry and strong. Z for zebra, striped and fast.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.